Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change your website Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save up this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to change your website Twitter app. First, we're going to open Twitter app. So once you open up Twitter app, you will arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner. We're going to see the three bars as I'm tapping right there. So make sure you tap on those three bars on the upper left hand corner. Once you tap them, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look for where it says profile. So make sure that you tap on profile right there. Once you tap on profile, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Then look on the upper right corner where it says add a profile. So make sure that you tap there, add a profile. Then you're gonna arrive here. As you see, your website's right there. It's saying like KahindoTech, but for me, I don't want that like KahindoTech right there. So I wanna put like different website. So make sure that you go and find a different website that you want to put. Let me find something. Let me see. Okay. So for example, like that's my new website. So make sure that you tap on the website that you want to put. So as right there, I highlight KahindoTech and I take it off, and I'm gonna put this new website right here. Wait, let me see. I think that one didn't copy. My bad. So make sure that you find that. I don't know why I didn't copy. Let me see now. So copy. So make sure that you tap on your new website that you want to put right there. And see right there, it shows like Hive right there because that's a new website that I wanna put right there. I mean, once you find a new website, put it right there. Then after you've done that, look on the upper right hand corner where it says save, and make sure that you tap on save right there. Make sure that you tap on save. Once you tap on save, you're gonna say saving, and you're gonna show your new website link right there. And that's how you change your website Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in comment section below, and don't forget to check the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.